is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve, and it's Supercar Saturday. Today, we are headed to a kid's birthday party. I guess there's a 10-year-old somewhere around here who really likes supercars. So, I don't know, I'm guessing probably Lamborghini's his favorite, but we're about to go find out. So I'm getting ready to pull into Quick Trip. I know the Performante's already there. Eddie's there with the GT3 RS. We got the 720S Spider there with Frank. Who else is there? I think Joe's going to be there in his GT3. I think we probably got a couple GTRs. Oh, Paul's there with his Porsche GT3 RS. The purple one. It's going to be hot. We're going to film the whole thing. We're going to show up this kid's birthday. I don't think he knows that we're coming. So stick around. We'll be back. We're here. Here's the lineup. We actually have Anthony and the yellow Ferrari that showed up. Obviously, we got the Lambo Performante. Look at that thing. This thing is beautiful in the sun. Got the Perf. We got the 720S right here with all the blue calipers. I mean, look at this thing. That is so hot. Got the 458, GT3, GT3 RS, GT3 RS, and the Turbo, and the Gran Turismo Racer. So, I don't even know who this kid is, but I think he's going to be awfully surprised when he sees the Performante. Look at this thing. Oh my God. This thing is so hot. Oh, kids, cover your ears. This thing is SEX. Center locks. All that forged composite. The thing is beautiful. It's so beautiful. While we're at it, let's see if Frank left the 720S unlocked. Oh, yes. Look at this baby. Woo-wee! That's a sweet ride, people. Oh my God. My car's dirty as sin. His car's actually clean. Look at the seats, man. This car is hot. Check it out. Woo! Man, all that blue. Look at those blue calipers in the sun. Oh my God. So, off we go. 20-minute drive. We're heading to Kiefer, I think is where it's at. Meet this kid, make his day. Here we go. Let's hear it, Ronnie. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. Woo! Yeah. Look at that sweet 720S Spider from the cockpit of the Lambo. All right. You got that GT3 RS that's purple up in front of it with the aluminum wheels looking hot. All right, here we go. Do a little first-person POV driving the Lambo. This is what it looks like, homies. This is a nice little setup. The Performante, the 720S Spider, Huracan with the GTR. Here comes Joe in the GT3. Oh yeah. Get it, boy! Nothing sexier than chasing a Lamborghini Performante's butt. Woo! Alright, well, my camera's on deck. We're almost there. Oh yeah, there he goes! Boom! go. All right, we're almost to the kid's house. I'll be back. All right, we made it. We're at Caven's house. It's his 10th birthday. Caven, C-A-V-E-N, like caveman Caven. And hey, you want to check out this car? Get in it. Yeah, you can all get in it if you want to.
That's pretty sweet.
Well, you can't get in it together, but that'll be weird. You get in it first. There you go.
Wow.
What do you think? You gonna race that thing or what, kid?
I am.
Hey, Shannon. What?
Pretty cool.
Happy birthday, Karen. Thank you. This is crazy. This is a Lamborghini.
10-year-old car.
Look how you can go in.
What's that? Is it a 10-year-old car?
nuts.
Good, yeah. Do you know which one this is, Caven?
Oh, no, you want to get in? It's really cool.
Think about it.
I don't know.
The doors don't go up.
I forgot the name.
It's a V10.
I had it in my head. What is it?
It's a Huracan. A Huracan. There you go. Do you want to get in it? Get in there, bro.
Yeah, well, Thursday, but it's going to be a yucky rainy day.
Yeah. You can. Wow, look, Lakota. Look at all those buttons. Yeah.
Is that pretty cool?
All right, the kiddos are going to check out the Lambo, and then I got a shirt for them, so we'll present that to him in a minute. Okay, they're on to the Performante. See if he wants a Lambros hat. Hey, Caven, you want one of these shirts? It's a Lambros. It's a Lambro shirt. You gonna check out YouTube?
Yeah.
We're the Lambros. It's my bros that have Lambos.
I want one.
I just have a medium. It's probably too big. It's probably for mom to wear. Yeah, I do have a medium. You guys can have. Yeah. Did you check out the inside of the Performante?
Check it out.
It's like way cooler, bro.
Can I put this on?
Yeah, put it on, bro.
Can I get into?
Just don't step on the seat. Just put your feet on the floor. There you go. Yeah, after he does.
One at a time, okay?
I'll go after
Remember, keep your feet on the floor. Is that cool?
Yeah. This dog hair is that dude.
Yeah, his dog drives it. That's why. He pointed out the dog hair on the floor.
Oh.
He's like, there's dog hair down there. What do you guys think?
This is crazy.
You like it?
Is this crazy?
Lambro shirt
Were
here.
you surprised
Show
when
me
you
your
sold
shirt.
that?
Yeah, fits good, dude. Love it.
Caven, stand up and get one. Grandma wants a picture.
All right, I think Caven's happy. And he hasn't even made it past the Lambos yet. We still have GTR, Porsche GT3, a McLaren, another Porsche, a Dodge Viper that showed up, and then the 458 Ferrari. So we'll see. Oh, and then 2 other Porsche GT3s over here. So I'm sure he's gonna have his way with all of them. Okay, folks, that's the end of the party. I think that Caven, I have to remember this kid's name, it's different, it's like Caveman. I think the Caveman has been thrilled by all the cars, but I wanted to tell you that a new car showed up, and then we'll be done, but there's actually 3 more cars that showed up. You've seen this one before, the Mercedes McLaren SLR, but you have not seen the Aston Martin, and then there's another Aston that showed up, so let's check it out. Look at that. The SLR. Whew. That thing sure is pretty. All carbon fiber down in the seat. And look at this thing. This thing is hot potatoes. And then he brought his Aston Martin as well. Pretty hot. And then I think I got it closed. It didn't close all the way. Still didn't close all the way. Look, look, look. All right. All right, now let's go down here and see this Aston Martin. I'll be right back. I'm here with I'm here with Alex. He brought the Aston Martin Vanquish.
Yes, I did. Full James Bond.
Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's so pretty. It's like carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber side, carbon fiber rear diffuser, and start it because it sounds nasty.
Oh yeah, Dad.
Guys, get back. It'll shoot a flame. Just kidding. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah. Oh daddy. Yeah. Yes. So cool. Here here we are. We got Caven in the car. What do you think, bro?
This is awesome.
Are you pumped?
Yes.
Okay. I cannot film driving for liability reasons, but when we get back, we'll just film his face to see how excited he is. We'll be back. All right, we just did the ride with Caven, and I just let Caven know that Ferraris are for parking. So, you know, Lambros, they're for parking. What do you think, bro? Was it amazing?
Yes.
Was it exhilarating?
Mm-hmm.
It got my heart pumping. I'm not gonna say we went 150, but we might have. I don't know, I can't admit it.
I was looking down there, we went like 152 at the top.
Whoa, he was watching it the whole time, bros. All right, Caven's riding in the Performante next. Here we go, buddies. All right, Lambros, here comes the Performante, and he just gave the Caven a ride, and he's bringing him back, so I wanted to get some video of it coming by, so. Yeah, Lambros. Wow, God, that scared me. Oh, all right, well, that was it. Caven has now ridden in 2 Lamborghinis on his 10th birthday, and hope you enjoyed it. Oh, look at this caravan! Oh my God, it's a Kia! Whoa! Caven's loving it, so hope you love it too. Make sure you drop a like, turn on notifications, share the video with someone, please. I need more views. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Later.